Hey guys, gals, GoodBulb Tom, the LED GoodBulb PAR16. Awesome LED. Is this the right LED for you? Odds are you're replacing 50 watt halogens, 35 watt halogens. The biggest question we get with the LED PAR16, is it going to fit in my fixture? Before I address that, let's talk about how this LED, read it, yeah, awesome LED. Eco Smart in the title. Eco Smart stands for energy efficient. You're replacing a 50 watt halogen, 35 watt halogen, using 6.5 watts. This LED is going to cost pennies on your electric bill, and it's rated at 25,000 hours. A 25,000 hour LED is a commercial grade, premium quality product. This thing will last. We use the absolute best components and the brightest LEDs. You're gonna love it. 3,000 Kelvin, it's a warm, soft light, perfect in kitchens. This is used in a lot of kitchens, appliances, hoods, ranges, track lighting, under cabinet lighting, little PAR16s. Will it fit? This bulb is exactly 2 3/4 inches long. The face of this LED, where the light comes out, is exactly 2 inches wide. If your fixture requires anything less than 2 3/4 inches long, 2-inch face, this LED will fit. This LED will last. It punches a beautiful, crisp, 3,000 Kelvin, warm, bright LED light. Tremendous energy savings. If you have any questions, you just let us know. When you open up the box, you're also going to find this little orange pamphlet that's folded in half so we could get it to fit because it's such a small box. You need to realize that together we are changing the world. 1 in 7 people live without electricity. Every light bulb makes a difference and helps us provide solar lanterns to people who live without light. Let's be good. Let's make a difference. Thank you for a chance to help.